guys, how you doing? Welcome back. I got my seeds. They came in the mail. I'm happy as heck. I've been waiting for these for a while, and apparently it takes 5 to 10 business days. I didn't quite read the fine print on the bottom, which I should have, but they're here, so I'm trying to get started. All right, so now they're called gurneys. I can leave them down in the description, exactly what I got. But I did look up some facts on some good popular other seed companies. Definitely take a look at that. I will also leave it in the description. So I have my kids that's actually going to help me. We're going to get these containers filled up, and we're going to plant these today. So let me give you a quick rundown exactly what I am going to be planting. All right, so we have a lot of herbs that we're going to be getting in. Coriander, pronounce it.
Coriander. Coriander.
Coriander. Okay. By the way, my wife is a fanatic with herbs, so this is her department, and it's always good to have. We also got sweet basil, oregano. Who does not need oregano, right? Dark green Italian parsley, and I think that's it for that, which we should be getting more, and I will give you some updates when we do get more. So we also have leeks. This is actually my first time getting some leeks. We got Simply Homestead Garden on that I follow, and he is awesome. He did a video on leeks, on the soup recipe, and I did it, and it was amazing. First time ever trying leek potato soup. It's awesome. I recommend you guys go check his video out and try it. It's real good. So this is our first time we actually gonna do this. We got collard. We have leaf lettuce, which is always good. Spinach. Oh, we got a lot today. We got spinach. We have radish. Can't go without our radish. We got cabbage. One of the favorite fruits there that we eat so much of. Cauliflower, broccoli. Okay, broccoli sounds good right now. Brussels sprouts. We have sweet peas, shell peas, and we have. This is the first time ever about this too. I try to find out some more information about it. Bush bean. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it, but bush bean, they give a lot of population on the bean, so something we're gonna try today is Blue Lake bush bean. So with that being said, those are all the seeds for right now. We do also have some other organic seeds we picked up in the stores. It's another blended lettuce, and we also got hot peppers, sweet peppers, and tomatoes. All right, so let's get into it. We're gonna go do a quick time lapse with the kids, get this all started, prepped, and let's go. All right, before we go into our time lapse real quick, I just want to show you exactly what we're gonna be doing so you can see. I don't know if the time lapse is really gonna show you much, but these are little squares that we're gonna stick each seed individually, and we're gonna fill up the water here about halfway, which should take about a gallon of water, and it's gonna barely, come up here shortly so it can keep the soil moist. And then we have the light here with the mat to see if we can get the germination to happen soon. Okay, let's start. Alright, so we already put the soil down and poked the holes at least a quarter inch deep. And so we're just putting the seeds in right now. Now, I wanted to show you real quick, and these are the oregano seeds. They are so small. I'm not sure if you can see them, but if you see like the little small dots, they look like little lice or something, you know? So it's like so small. So that's what I'm working with right now, and I'll definitely get back to you once we finish up. Alright, so yeah, we're finishing up here. Just finished putting all the seeds in, putting the dirt, little top soil to cover it all, water underneath, and we also have the heat mats to see if we can get these to germinate a little faster. I am going to lower the lamp just so we can get more of the light, and let's come back in 3 to 4 weeks. Hopefully by then we should already see some progress. I know I want to see it at least 3 to 4 inches high before I open up the sliding doors that is standing right in front, so I can get some natural light eventually, and so be able to get some breeze at the same time, because I don't want it to where the plants will grow in a nice warm environment, then take them outside and shock them to that natural sun and wind. So we want to get them used to the wind and the fresh air and the sunlight as well. So this is the setup. I hope that everything goes good. Last time I did this was last year. All we really did was put them in cups, garden cups, and plant them that way, which was good, but it took a little longer to germinate. So this time I'm actually trying to get the process rolling a little faster. So we have the heat lamp and we have the heat mat. So let's see if we can kickstart this germination a little bit sooner than normal. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna let you go. With just one saying, everything we do here in K&A's Family Homestead is one step at a time. So I'll see you next time for a further update on what we have here. Alright guys.